Hey everyone, welcome you all. So today's video is very special for me. Actually, 4 days ago, my channel Vision of Pradeep hit 5k subscribers. I couldn't upload any 5k special video because my exams were running and my channel hit 5k subscribers the day before maths exam. Yes, but now my exams are over and there is nothing left to make you understand that this video is a 5k special video. So YouTube gives us silver play button on I guess 1 lakh subs, but what's about 5k? So this time I decided to make a play button for 5k subs, and here is the rough sketching, and for this I will use simple cardboard. Yes, obviously I will not use the silver or gold. Oh, but I can use aluminium foil. So let's start and see what's gonna happen. The cutout is ready, and now I will add another YouTube logo to show that the YouTube logo is in the front and the 5k is in the back. So let's do this. So here we have the top. Yes, this will be on the base, so I can call this top. So here we have the top of 5k play button.
So now it's time to color this. Oh no at first we have to make the base and then we should. So I'm using thermocol for the base.
So here we have the base of 5k play button, and now we can start the coloring.
So I'm using only black and red color, and obviously red color indicates YouTube and black color, my phone is in dark mode, so black color indicates my phone. Yeah, I know this was a very pointless reason. Jokes aside, I actually like the combination of black and red, and that's why I did this.
Actually, this is not completed yet. I missed a small thing, so let's do it. So guys, finally it is completed, and at the last, thank you everyone for this love and support, and I hope you will support me in the future too. And now let me reveal the name of this play button. So I named it Aluminium play button, and there are two reasons for this. The first one is I used aluminium foil, and the second one is YouTube gives us silver play button, which is a metal. YouTube also gives us gold play button, which is also a metal, and diamond is not a metal, but it looks like a metal. And continuing that metal series, I named it Aluminium. I hope you guys liked this video, If you like, then make sure to like and also subscribe my channel. I shall meet you in my next video with any other drawing or craft. Till then, bye bye.
So we celebrated 5K by cutting a cake. So here are some of the clips of that moment.
5K